know these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go and move dumb.
What's up guys, it's your girl Shantae and I'm back with another video. As you read in the title, we will be doing a 30-day rice water challenge. So before we go into this video and I give you guys information on what I will be doing, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a video whenever I upload. So let's hop into this. Alright you guys, so I will be doing a 30-day rice water challenge. I'm challenging myself. I was supposed to do this like a month ago or 2 months ago, but I did not do it. I was not consistent. So I said, you know what? I'm going to pick up this camera and I'm just going to record every single week of me putting the rice water in my hair so that I can be consistent. Okay? And I'm going to be showing you guys every step of the way. So for me, I use rice water 2 times a week. So in this challenge, I'll be using it 2 times a week, like I just said, for 4 weeks. Now, you don't have to use it 2 times a week. You can use it like once a week if that's up to you. You know, it depends on your hair. For me, I can use it more because my hair tends to need that extra moisture in my hair. And plus for my scalp, it helps my scalp out a lot. So I will be showing you guys week by week, and I'll put the dates up for you guys so that you guys can see it. Today is April 1st, and it's my first day starting this challenge. Yes, it is. So I will be giving you guys a length check today, and then when 30 days is over, we will do another length check and we will compare, hopefully see if there is a difference with growth and, you know, just the texture of the hair. Okay, you guys? So just in case you guys are like skeptical, like, does rice water really work? I'm going to show you that it does work. If you're consistent, okay? If you're consistent, yes. So first things first, what I'm going to do, as you can see, my hair is dry. Dry, okay? I already shampooed and actually conditioned my hair like the other day, so I'm not going to be doing that right now. What I will be doing is doing a deep condition, my homemade deep condition. And I put my homemade deep condition, see, I saved my All-C bottle, you see, I save it and I put my deep condition in this bottle. I make a lot, I got a lot of heads in this house that need to get their hair washed. And I'm going to be putting that in my hair to regain my moisture. And then I will be showing you guys me putting my rice water in my hair. Dance with me.
Back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my body back and forth. Move my...
Okay guys, so I'm putting a mask in my hair. And my curls are revised. I love not my mask in my hair because it does more for my hair than any conditioner or soap or item can do my hair. Like seriously. So I'm going to give you guys we're going to do a length check right now. And I'm going to leave this. my hair feels softer, definitely. My curls are like glowing. They're glowing, they're popping. My hair is like less, like my scalp is not like as dry as it used to be. Definitely my curls are a lot more softer, more texturized, more moisturized. Like my hair has expanded so much. So proud of myself for being consistent, because listen, I wouldn't have been consistent if I did not do this video. I'm just completely honest. Now, you know, like I love my hair, and as you guys seen in the video, I leave my rice water in my hair, okay? Until like I do like a cold wash and I am washing my hair out. That's the only time I wash my hair out. But I leave the rice water in my hair. So the style is staying in because I do plan on blow drying my hair out. And yeah. So yeah, and like I feel like my hair did grow a bit. It definitely did grow a bit. And I'm happy for that, so I can show you guys that rice water does really work for your hair in different aspects, not just for hair growth. It works in different many ways, trust me. And it did for my hair. Did this twice a week, and I tell you, I've been consistent. I have been really consistent, and I will be continuing doing this probably just like once a week now. But you know, I do have another video for you guys. It will be coming out, you know, just give me time, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I feel really good about myself. Like, my hair feels so good. Yeah, like I wish that y'all could touch it and just smell it right now. Like, just look at the curls. Look at that. They just pop. Feel me? They pop. I hope that you guys try this as well. You know, give yourself a little challenge and do this for yourself. You know, add it in your self-care, self-love routine. You feel me? All right. So I'm gonna end this video right here. But just quick heads up, I will be giving myself a break from doing videos for a little bit, just because there's something that is personally going on, and I need to heal. You know, I will definitely be back. I'm not giving up. So, you know, just send your love down below. Just give me some, you know, encouragement and, you know, healing prayers or whatever you guys can do. Post it down below for me, okay? But I will update you guys on what is going on when I am ready. I will do other videos, but you probably won't see me talking as much. You see my face too much on the camera because, you know, I'm going through something right now. And, yeah, you know, not every day's a happy day. We all go through things. So I will see you guys in the next video. So do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. Also comment down below if you have tried this challenge, or if you know you guys have used rice water before and what it has done for you in your hair. All right, and also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that you'll miss video whenever I upload. I will definitely be back with you guys. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I appreciate it so much. I will be back, I promise. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.